and Protection of Children Amendment Bill 2021. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Thank you. माननीय वी विजय साई रेड्डी जी, 4 minutes. Please. Mic, please. Not over, sir. It's already there. Please. Mic जहाँ बैठते हैं वहाँ please. See, it's there.
1 minute is already
No. See that it's already 0. You are starting now.
Sir, Deputy Chairman, sir, this bill, which is moved by the Honorable Minister, raises some serious concerns about the parliamentary system which is in vogue. YSR Congress Party and our party president and the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh favors vesting of real powers in the representative government of the people of the country, rather than the person nominated by the government as LG. So, I believe that LG should confine himself and must reign and not rule is the core principle of the cabinet system of governance. LG cannot be given absolute powers. There is no provision in the Constitution that LG can exercise the powers which are not vested with LG by virtue of the Constitution. Sir, there needs to be, because Yogendra Yadav ji has extensively, Bhupendra Yadav ji has extensively, no, sorry, I missed. He extensively spoke about and justified the stand taken by the government. I am asking one question to the Honorable Minister who moved the bill. Have you studied the system in vogue in London or Tokyo or Washington DC? And then introduced this bill. Has in-depth study taken place or not? And what you are doing now is in tune with the provisions of the Constitution or against the spirit of the Constitution. There needs to be a deeper historic, legal and even comparative study with the cases of the cities what I have referred to, and we passed, if at all, before we pass the bill, and we should consider all the aspects into consideration, and I request the Honorable Minister even now to postpone it and refer the matter to the select committee. Sir, even if bill is enacted now, because of the brutal majority what the ruling party has got, it will not stand for the judicial scrutiny, I am telling you. It will be struck down by the Supreme Court, because it is anti-constitutional. It is not in terms of the Constitution. In fact, I would like to refer to the one incident. Sir, the great leader Vajpayee ji and his government was defeated with 1 vote. Some of the MPs have approached him and said, sir, we'll ensure that 4 of the MPs would abstain from voting. Do you know, sir, what Vajpayee has said? That is very important now. Vajpayee ji has said, I am prepared to defeat myself rather than defeating the spirit of the Constitution. And BJP should learn from their own leader Vajpayee, sir, now. Sir, I will confine myself only to the legal provisions, and thereafter, because I am not in agreement with the ruling party now, and will stage walkout thereafter. And sir, the bill provides that the term government referred to in the law made by the Legislative Assembly will imply Lieutenant Governor. Will it stand for judicial scrutiny? I question myself. No, definitely not. Today, it is Lieutenant Governor. Tomorrow, they'll delete the word Lieutenant and it will be made applicable to even the Governor of all the states. That is not what is intended to be done. Sir, only 2 points, sir. Please allow me to speak. Clause 6 of Article 239 AA, which Abhishek Singhvi ji has already quoted, states that the Council of Ministers shall be collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly. The bill therefore violates the Article 239 AA6, and now that LG is government, that is what is stated, LG is government according to the bill, and now what will legislature will do if they can't keep the executive in check? This is the question what I am posing to the minister. Sir, here the executive, that is LG, will not be able to be held accountable if he is not part of the assembly. I am asking one question to the minister. If he is part of the government, will the LG come to the assembly and then answer the questions that are raised by the members? Is he treated on par with the chief minister? Is he treated on par with any other member or minister? Is he prepared to come to the assembly and answer the question? Sir, please give me some more time. Anyhow, I am staging walkout.
You have already taken.
Sir,
Please,
why are you trying to
please.
gag my mouth, sir?
Please.
Don't try to gag my mouth. Sir, only one more point, sir. Clause 4 of Article 239 AA says that LG will act on the aid of the advice of the Council of Ministers, which means he can act only on the advice of the Council of Ministers, except in respect of excluded items. Further, sir, Clause 7A. In fact, I have got the Constitution also, which I don't have time to read it out.
Please conclude.
Clause 7, I'm concluding it,
You
sir.
see, you have taken all
Don't
your
make
time.
me in hurry,
Please.
sir.
Please.
Clause 7A of the same article says Parliament may by law make the provisions for giving effect to or supplementing the provisions contained in the foregoing clauses and the matters incidental and consequential thereto. The proposed amendments require the government to obtain the opinion of LG before any action is taken, and do not give effect to clause 4, and are neither incidental nor consequential. The legislative proposal cannot be incidental or consequential if the effect of it is against the parent law, against the Constitution. The above amendment thus violates 239 AA clause 7. Last, sir, one more point. Article 239 AB provides precedent rule in Delhi. Please tell the minister, please ask the minister to answer my question, sir. Precedent rule, Article 239 AB provides for precedent rule in Delhi when the administration of the territory cannot be carried on in accordance with the provisions of Article 239A. Who will recommend to the President of India?
Conclude now.
Precedent rule is imposed on the report
Mr.
from
V.
the LG.
Vijay Reddy, please
When
conclude, otherwise I will be calling other
powers
speakers.
are vested with the AG, and it means that always 365 days, all 12 months, it will be
Thank
the
you,
President rule.
thank you,
Not,
thank
not,
you,
not,
thank
the,
you.
not the rule by elected by
Thank
the
you.
government.
Thank you, please.
Sir, in other words,
Thank you.
the Chief Minister of Delhi powers will be relegated.
माननीय
His status
विश्वम्भर
will be
प्रसाद
relegated
निषाद
to the status
जी,
of the
माननीय
mayor
विश्वम्भर
of
प्रसाद
Delhi, sir.
निषाद जी, आप बोले,
We
आपकी बात
oppose
रिकॉर्ड
this
पे
bill
जाएगी.
and we stage walkout, sir.
Thank you.
माननीय